The dry ice pelletizer is characterized by high-quality dry ice pellets production. This is a fully automatic machine, easy to operate. It doesn't require complicated installation, it only needs to be connected to power and liquid CO2 supply. This mechanic system is suitable for use with interchangeable die plates in order to produce different dry ice shapes. It is electrically non-conductive and it is non-inflammable. The necessary types of equipment for this kind of plant are following: general requirement: a liquid CO2 refrigerated tank, a pelletizer and a liquid CO2 line for the connection. Dry ice reformers offer a reliable and innovative freezing process that is customizable to your specific needs. Our reformers produce a small dry ice slab by recompressing dry ice pellets, creating a more efficient process with minimal product loss. The industrial-designed reformer utilizes a unique volumetric filling chamber that produces a consistent size and high-quality dry ice slab. Our high-density dry ice pellets, which are then flow into hopper of dry ice reformer machine and makes dry ice slices with fixed dimension. Pellet-to-slice reformer is an ideal solution for dry ice pellet businesses that want to diversify dry ice production capabilities by adding slice and mini block dry ice to their product range. Visit www.sealmech.com for more information. For sales inquiries, send an email to sales@sealmech.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe.